Hi guys, I know it's been a while since my last video. To be honest, I can imagine that probably bothers me more than it bothers you. Maybe you guys are thinking, hey, week without your ugly mug? That's a good week. But no, really, I've been working pretty hard putting together a Python game development Pygame course, which is going to be ace. But in the meantime, I was just scrolling through my phone and I found a bunch of old footage of back when I was first learning game development and OpenGL stuff. And this stuff is super rough. A lot of it, actually all of it, was just me holding my phone up to the screen and filming stuff. But those were just such wild days. So I thought I'd put together a little compilation, throw it out there, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy.
What is it? Is a ghost. You got spooked.